Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to start part 3 of this tutorial, how to use Office 365 applications. Our agenda was divided into 3 parts. Part 1, Introduction to Office 365. Number 2, how to create user account. And number 3, how to use Office 365 applications. We discussed earlier introduction to Office 365, and then after that we create account for both students and teachers. From this video we are going to start part 3 of this tutorial, how to use Office 365 applications. There are mainly 25 applications available for user in Office 365, but we will mainly focus on the main applications like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, Form, Stream, SharePoint, Yammer, and Kazla. Let's introduce them one by one. MS Word is actually a word processor that is used to create and edit text documents. After that, MS Excel is Microsoft spreadsheet software that is used for data calculation on the basis of functions and formulas. We calculate data in MS Excel on the basis of Excel functions and formulas. After that, MS PowerPoint is presentation software that is used to create multimedia presentation using slides. After that, Outlook, that is Microsoft emailing software used to send, receive, and manage emails. It is just like Google Gmail. After that, OneDrive is Microsoft cloud storage software that is used to store and manage data on online Microsoft server. It's provide 1 terabyte of huge data storage for Office 365 users. It is just like Google Drive. After that, Microsoft Teams is actually video conference calling software that is used for voice and video calling in online meeting, mainly popular for online classes used by students and teachers. It's just like Google Meet and Zoom, that both are used for video conference calling. Then MS Forms, that is used to collect online data for survey and registration and things like that. just like we do in Google Forms to collect data online for different purposes. Then Microsoft Stream is video sharing software that is used to create channel. We create channel in Microsoft Stream, then we can upload and share videos just like we do in YouTube. We create channel, we upload video and share with others people. After that, SharePoint is actually Microsoft website builder that is used to build website to share and manage content of any company, institute, just like we create site in Google site. So SharePoint is website builder. After that, Yammer is social networking site for Microsoft that is used to connect people, to share views and information. It is just like Facebook social media software. What we do in Facebook, we share post, we comment, we make friends. These all things are happened in Yammer. After that, Kesla is Microsoft Messenger that is used to send text and voice messages, emojis, and things like that. It's just like WhatsApp. What we do in WhatsApp or any other messengers, we can create groups, we can share information, files, we can make audio video call, we can send messages, voice messages, emojis, and things like that. So these all are main application in Office 365. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the rest of videos.